I wanted to, or to lease. It would have been around 1,000 more than Rumpish, but it's the cheapest hybrid. Yeah. And what the hell are you guys doing? They all went on red. Okay, Garmin. Spara videon.
Musik från den senare där, fast från originalet får du höra när den perfekta mixen fortsätter. Och så spelar jag ABBA för dig.
Varje år står några av Sveriges största artister på Mix Megapols guldscen. Danny Saucedo, Veronica Maggio, Glenmark Eriksson Strömstedt, Lana, Jill Johnson.
Okej, Garmin, spara videon. You see? You want them to fucking quit, you know, because they did something bad. And then there's a picture in Australia, like, resign, and then it was like, resign, you dickhead. I was like, dickhead, resign. How are you taking that turn? Are you taking it like a proud person that knows how to drive? Stupid fucking transit. So, fucking lady. She's still signaling left. She's parked signaling left for a bus means they're going out. And on that road you have to let them off. Trash man gotta do what the trash man gotta do. He will stop in the middle of the road. Pick up the trash.
I've been staying strong on my feet, keeping my heels below my knees, but I can't help feeling weak. Every day I wake up, it's harder to breathe. And we've been on the same grid, but you feel so distant. Is it distance that's killing my vision? I can't see a way making it through this. So tell me you feel the same. Can we just skip to the end? I just wanna feel again. I think we've been moving too fast. I just think we've been moving too fast. I can't really keep up. I just wanna relapse. Just wanna, yeah. Think we've been moving too fast. Moving too fast. Think we've been moving too fast. Moving too fast. Think we've been moving too fast. Moving too fast. Think we've been moving too fast. Moving too fast.
Real shit, I ain't got a lot to say. These games that we play only make our hearts ache, and we act like we ain't asked for this pain, and we act like we were willing to change, knowing damn well that we weren't, knowing damn well that we are cursed, knowing damn well how bad it hurts to expose yourself. Someone's too immersed in their own pain to go and fucking feel yours. If my heart wasn't broke, I'd have gladly healed yours, but this ain't real love. We are just children pretending to be grown, so maybe we can feel love, but this ain't that. It's delayed indifference, and I wish it was different, but it just isn't. We're both looking outside ourselves to try and fix the parts of our souls that have wandered up within us.
I think we've been moving too fast. I just wanna relax. I just wanna relapse. Just wanna think we've been moving too fast. I can't really keep up.